Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw eyes. We'll begin by laying down foundational shapes to accurately place your eye on the face. Understanding the basic anatomy, like the eyeball's spherical form and the eyelid's curve, is crucial. This initial step ensures your eye looks natural and proportionate. We'll then explore how to vary angles and expressions, bringing your drawings to life with emotion and depth. Next, focus on the eyelids. They aren't just flat lines, they have thickness and wrap around the eye's sphere. Observe how the upper lid often covers a small part of the iris. For eyelashes, avoid drawing them as uniform spikes. Instead, show them growing in natural clusters, curving outwards, and varying in length and density for a realistic effect. This adds significant depth. Hey everyone, if you're finding these drawing tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. And on another note, life's too short for a stinky car, right? Grab yourself a Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener. It's a small thing that makes a big difference. You can find the link for that and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, let's tackle the iris and pupil. The iris is a perfect circle, but remember it's usually partly hidden by the upper lid. The pupil, a dark circle at its center, reacts to light. Crucially, add highlights. These small, bright spots on the iris and pupil are essential for making the eye appear wet and alive, reflecting the light source in your drawing. They truly bring the eye to life. Shading is where your eye drawing truly gains realism. Don't leave the whites of the eyes pure white. Instead, add subtle shading to show their spherical shape. Darker tones around the eyelids and in the crease will create depth and make the eye recede naturally into the socket. Blend your pencil strokes smoothly to avoid harsh lines, achieving a soft, lifelike transition of light and shadow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.